Hello, my name is Maya and I am one of the membership team at Visit Somerset. We take all of our visitors and members' social mobility needs very seriously. You will see that where possible on all of our marketing communications, we are becoming social mobility aware, translating and interpreting as much of our communication as possible to support our disabled community. We hope you like our new text-speak investment in conjunction with the Browsealoud team as part of our new digitally, socially, mobile strategy. Enjoy. The Toolbar. When you launch Browsealoud with Visit Somerset, the toolbar will appear. It's a floating toolbar, which means you can move it anywhere on your screen or hide it from view using the Close button. There are several icons on the toolbar, each representing one of Browsealoud's features. Each of these buttons performs a different function. You can hear text read aloud using these buttons, translate it, convert it to MP3 and add a screen mask. You can magnify the text, simplify web pages and set your own personalised settings. Text to speech. Browsealoud reads text on a page out loud. There are two options, hover to speak and speak the current selection. Hover to speak is turned on by default when the toolbar is launched. To start speech, simply hold your mouse pointer over the text, or click the text if you are using a tablet or mobile device.
Think of Somerset and what comes to mind: stunning views across open countryside, sandy beaches, superb strawberries, cheddar cheese and cider.
To stop speech, click on the stop button. To hear specific text read aloud, untick the hover to speak button. Select the text you wish to hear and click the play button.
Worldwide, our county is famous for its Glastonbury Festival, illuminated carnivals, mulberry handbags and Arthurian legends.
Again, to stop speech, click on the stop button. You'll notice the text is highlighted in a contrasting colour as it is read aloud. This helps to easily identify what's being read and also acts as a visual reinforcement to improve word recognition and comprehension. Translation. Browsealoud translates web pages and text into a variety of different languages and speaks the matching text where there is a voice available. To use the translation feature, simply click on this button. A sub-menu appears which presents a full list of language translations available. Make your language selection and see how quickly it translates the full web page. By hovering or clicking the text, you can hear it being read aloud in a high-quality, natural-sounding native voice.
Somerset segreto. Somerset è la sede della più lunga ferrovia del patrimonio nel Regno Unito e ospita alcuni dei castelli e dei borghi medievali più belli che ti aspettano.
MP3 generation. MP3 generation converts any text that you select from a web page into an audio file that you can listen to at a later date, at home or on the move. Select the text that you wish to convert, then click the MP3 Maker button on the toolbar. You'll be prompted to give your audio file a name. When you're done, the click generates to create your MP3. Now you can transfer your file to an MP3 player, smartphone or computer to listen to when it suits you. Screen mask. This feature allows you to apply a colour filter to your screen by clicking the screen mask icon on the toolbar. A semi-opaque mask extends across the screen, leaving a letterbox reading window clear. This window follows the movement of your mouse pointer or a finger on your mobile or tablet device, leaving you the opportunity to focus on the part of the page you are most interested in, ignoring any unnecessary clutter. To remove the mask, click on the screen mask icon again. As an alternative to the letterbox reading window, you can go to Settings and select a ruler screen mask. The choice is yours. Text magnification. With Browsealoud, you have the option of magnifying the text as it is being read aloud. Click on the Text Magnification button on the toolbar and hover over or click on your chosen text. You will see that the larger text is displayed at the top of the screen. You can personalise the font size and colour to suit your needs in settings. To turn off this feature, simply click on the Text Magnification button again. Simplify. Reading the text on our website has become a little easier with our Simplifier tool. This feature removes the clutter and distractions, such as pictures and adverts, allowing you to focus on the text you want to read. Click on the Simplifier button on the toolbar and see the distractions disappear from the screen. You can change the text size, the background colour, summarise the content, print it and read it aloud. To return to the original web page, click Close. Settings. In the setting menu, you can personalise the features to suit your own specific needs. You can choose your preferred highlight colours for text speech and text magnification here. Here you can choose the size of your magnification. You can click how quickly or slowly the text is read to you. To identify links in a web page, you can switch it on here. You can even customise the identification of links by adding your preferred word here. As you can see, the default word is simply link, but I am going to change it to hyperlink. Once you have made all of your selections, click Save. Help. If you are unsure of what each feature offers, click on the Help button. A drop-down menu will appear that gives you a short description of each feature. To hear the text read aloud, click on the text-to-speech icon on the toolbar. Click on the Close button to hide this information. Thank you for watching. If you have any thoughts, questions or suggestions on how we can further improve our social mobility communications, please email us on disability@visitsomerset.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.